Alright, I've been waiting almost a week to pick this 334S45, and let's see if we can get it open. The keys are on the other side. Man, these Lockwoods are just so smooth. It's got a nice spring to it. Alright, 5 pins. I'd say pretty sad bidding on this one, but hopefully between the tolerances and the pins that they use, it'll turn out pretty good, or a pretty fun pick. But let's get it clamped up and give her a go. I went ahead and got everything ready, so I hope it goes pretty smooth. I grabbed a Peterson gem and a number 7 hook just in case the gem doesn't work, but the gem's what I'm going to be using to start. So there it is, just a regular gem. And 18 thousandths. I feel like I got a false set already. Yeah, definitely got a false set already. Which I guess is normal because all the other two that I've picked and all have spools in there, so I'd imagine this one's no different. Ooh, I thought it was gonna open. Oh, it opened that time though. Alright, so not too bad. I really wasn't expecting it to be after I seen the key, but it is what it is. Still a nice lock. Had it had 6 pins like the 63 that I got from Noxus Modus, but it would probably been a little bit tougher even with that bidding. So let's face the camera down before I forget. Alright. There's that. Oh. Alright. Well, we'll just put you up there since you want to completely fall apart on us. Yeah, I'll just leave that till after we get this guy apart. Huh. Well, this one doesn't have it on the well, maybe it does. Nope. On the other one, let me show you. On the other one, when I was putting it back together, I noticed that there was a stainless steel rod inside that little hole. Can't tell if there's one inside there. I don't think there is because the other one just fell right out. Excuse me. She was a little tough one. Probably could have grabbed a full screwdriver, but I was in a hurry. Alright, so there's that. Pins are up. I'll move you guys around. She's got some schmoo on her too. Let's see the key. So I noticed something on the other one when I was putting it back together. Like, the pins are a little wobbly. I don't remember if, yeah, they kind of just wobble in there, like the holes are a little bit too big on them, but maybe that's what they wanted to happen. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Alright, so let's get these out of there. Yeah, this one doesn't have the inserts either. It's weird. Ah, come on. Alright, that's all them. Focus. Come on. Alright, so nothing inside there. Not even the anti-drill pins. Let's get these where they go. Jesus. So, shallow spool. What? No, shallow spool. I was about to say. I had the top part of it blocked, so it kind of looked like a standard pin. Shallow spool. Another shallow spool. Another shallow spool. Exactly what I expected. So, 6 pin capabilities, 5 pins, only 5 chambers pinned up. Get you out of there. Move you. Set you down right there. Let's take some of these keys off. Try to pick it up without dropping anything. So there you have it. That's a 334S S45. So there it is again, all exploded. Alright, so I'll show you guys the back of the box. So it says this one is a 7. Yeah, I think this one should be a little bit lower since it doesn't have any of the anti-drill. But, yep, still a double ball lock and 8.7. Same everything. The only difference is this one is shrouded and it has all the inserts. So I don't know what's going on with that. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any comments, just put them down below. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.